In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, so I can assure you it will work. When you get to the bottom of settings, select System. Then tap on Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Last but not least, tap on Corrections and Suggestions and manage all of those options however you want to by clicking on the switches next to chosen features. Quick tip, if you can't find something here, you can go back and tap on this section called Preferences to manage, for example, your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!